So I just found a couple really easy entry-level work-from-home jobs that don't require any related experience. So you're going to be doing a whole bunch of data entry and document processing, and these are really good opportunities if maybe you want to start a career in accounting or you're just looking for something different. So enough dilly-dallying, let's jump right into them. The first one I have comes to us from a company called Perfect Serve, and what they do is they provide scheduling services for the healthcare industry. And right now they're looking for an accounts payable clerk, so this is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States. And as I scroll down this job lead, I just want to see if they tell us how much they pay, and I don't see it in the job description, but down here in the application they tell us they'll pay anywhere from $17 to $19 per hour. So typically in accounts payable, you're going to be doing a whole bunch of data entry. And in this job, you'll control expenses by receiving, processing, verifying, and reconciling invoices. You'll reconcile processed work by verifying entries and comparing system reports to balances. You'll also charge expenses to accounts and cost centers by analyzing invoices and expense reports and recording entries, and verifying federal ID numbers, scheduling and preparing checks, and resolving purchase order, contracts, invoice, or payment discrepancies and documentation. You'll also verify vendor payment information and establish and maintain all vendor files within the accounting system. You'll maintain accounting ledgers by verifying and posting account transactions as needed, verify vendor accounts by reconciling monthly statements and related transactions, assist in the annual audit, and perform other ad hoc projects as needed. So they're not asking for any related experience in this position. However, they would like you to have a bachelor's degree in accounting. But you know what? This is a very entry-level position, so if you don't have a bachelor's degree in accounting or you don't even have a bachelor's degree, definitely apply for this job if it interests you, especially if you can express on your cover letter or resume your skills and desire to do this kind of work. You need sufficient knowledge of Microsoft Office with an emphasis on Excel. You have great time management and organizational skills. You also have a knowledge of basic accounting principles. You have a high degree of attention to detail, and you're able to work independently and prioritize your tasks. You have strong analytical abilities, and they prefer you have experience with Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains, and that's just preferred, that's not required. But if you're not familiar with Great Plains, what I recommend doing is a quick internet search and get familiar with Great Plains. That way you'll stand out. So if you like this job, you can find the direct link in the description area below this video. This is job number 1. The next easy work-from-home job comes to us from Marco Technologies. So they specialize in hosted and cloud services, managed services, and business IT services. And they even sell and maintain copiers, printers, and phone systems. Right now they're looking for an accounts receivable coordinator, and this is a position that doesn't require any related experience. It's a full-time remote job. You can do it anywhere within the United States. And as I scroll down this job lead, I'm looking to see if they tell us how much they pay. And I don't see it, so I did a little bit of research. And it looks like in the U.S., accounts receivable coordinators who have 0 to 1 year experience could earn anywhere from $48,000 to $66,000 per year, with the median salary being $56,000 per year. So that comes to $23 to $31 per hour, with the median hourly rate being $26.92. Now, to be honest, I think that's a little high. I think for this kind of job that doesn't require any related experience, I'm willing to bet you'll earn anywhere from $17 to $20 per hour. But there's no way I can guarantee how much you're going to make. You'll have to work that out with them when negotiating your salary. So going back to the job lead, you'll be responsible for supporting the accounts receivable team in maintaining client and vendor accounts and aged receivables. So that means you'll manage the accounts receivable inbox and distribute appropriately, review and approve paper and electronic invoices for delivery to the client, and process new account setups. That means you'll organize and prepare customer account applications for approval. You'll also assist account managers in the investigation, reconciliation, and collection of past due accounts, including but not limited to courtesy calling 30 to 60 customers. So it's important to note, not only are you going to be doing a lot of paper pushing, you're also going to be on the phone making collection calls. You also manage returned mail, receive incoming ACD telephone calls in a professional and courteous manner, and process required invoices in portals. You respond to internal and external client inquiries via phone and email, and accurately maintain documentation and comply with administrative procedures in a timely basis to include time entry. So they want you to have a high school diploma or equivalent, and they prefer you have an associate's degree, and that's just preferred, that's not required. They want you to be proficient with business collaboration tools such as Microsoft Office applications, Outlook, and company-specific programs. You have excellent communication and customer service skills. You're enthusiastic, dedicated to the challenge of helping other people. You can demonstrate attention to detail, and you have strong ability to exercise independent judgment. You're also a self-starter with excellent organizational and time and task management skills, and you can function collaboratively as part of a fast-paced, client-oriented team. So this is job number 2. It doesn't require any related experience, and you could potentially make $17 to $20 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the link below. This is job number 2. Well, there you go. We just went over 2 pretty good entry-level remote jobs that don't require any related experience. Hopefully one of them works out for you, but if you're looking for more no experience needed remote jobs, check out this video right here. Good luck to all of you who apply, and as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.